This is Tech Tip Tuesday. We're going to show you how we got this rear dash camera mounted on this hatch of this Hyundai SUV. Enjoy. So we actually take our panel popper tool and just lightly pop up on each side. Then we take off the rubber trim slowly. We lift up on it so that we can just continuously tuck in the rear camera cable along the whole way. Then we actually take the grommet and we open it up so that we can actually run the cable through. So now we lift up, we're going to lift underneath, we're going to get it right through the hole, and we're going to slowly feed all the rest of the wiring through to where the grommet is. Okay, then we're going to use our specialty tool and we're going to run it right through. We will end up hooking up the wire to it. It loops around, and then you can pull it right through. This makes it easier for us. A lot of other people like to use like tie straps and other weird things, and that's fine. We use this specialty tool because that's what we use, and they're pretty expensive. It's like 60 or 70 bucks, but it does definitely save us time when we're doing installation. So we get the wire completely ran through. That way we can actually seal up the grommets again, because you don't want rain or anything getting into your vehicle. And then we're taking an antiseptic wipe and we're actually cleaning off the rear window and then wiping off the residue. That way we can get a good solid connection with the 3M tape. We always try and line up the camera portion with the center of the vehicle. We always try and make sure to always avoid the heater lines as well. And then we're just throw some tie straps on the wiring, right? Just that way it's nice and secure. We want to make sure that none of those clips when we put the panel back on are going to hit the wiring as well. See, we tie it up. We use our Tessa tape. You use Tessa tape or electrical tape, but typically we use one or the other depending on the vehicle. And as you see, we just tie it up. That way it looks nice and clean. And then we just typically, hide it up top in the hatch. Throw a tie strap on it. That way it's held in place. Cut off all the tie straps, and then we can throw the panel back on. Very simple. We did this all in about 6 minutes. We put this in 2 times speed for you. So if you want, you can always slow it down if you want to watch it at a slower speed. Well, there you have it. How you run a rear dash camera on a Hyundai SUV.